What rights do you give up when you upload a video or a photograph to a social media platform like Facebook? That's what I'm going to discuss today. I'm Angela Langlotz, and I go live here on weekdays to talk about trademarks, copyrights, and other intellectual property and business issues that affect online entrepreneurs. So today I would like to discuss the rights that you give up and the rights that you retain when you upload your creative content to a social media platform. Now that social media platform may be Facebook, it may be Twitter, it may be YouTube. They all have different terms of service. So you need to go read the terms of service in order to figure out what rights you're keeping and what rights you're giving away. In general, however, when you upload a piece of work, be it a video or a photograph or whatever you're creating, to a social media platform, you're giving them the right within the platform to share it and reproduce it within the platform. Now, I had a discussion on Facebook this week with a man here in Texas named Jonathan Gatto, and I'm tagging him in this post so that he understands. And he kept insisting that whenever you upload something to Facebook, you're basically giving up all of your rights to that material, and that's just not the case. We can look at the terms of service and see that that's not the case. So I'm going to shrink myself into the corner here, and let's go have a look. All right, so we're looking at the Facebook terms of service. And it says here, these are the permissions that you give us. You give them the permission to use content you create and share. It says you own the content that you create and share on Facebook, and nothing in these terms takes away the rights you have to own your own content. You're free to share your content with anyone else whenever you want. To provide our services, though, we need you to give us some legal permission to use it. So, of course, they need your permission to share it on their platform. What would be the point of having a social media platform if you couldn't share content? So, it says specifically, when you share, post, or upload content that is covered by intellectual property rights, like photos or videos, you grant us a non-exclusive, transferable, sub-licensable, royalty-free, and worldwide license to host, use, distribute, modify, run, copy, publicly perform, or display, translate, and create derivative works of your content consistent with your privacy and application settings. Okay, what does this mean? You are giving Facebook the right to do those things, not third parties. So while Facebook may have the right to use the content that you upload to your Facebook platform, it doesn't give other people the right to go into a gallery, even if you've made the gallery public. It doesn't give them the right to go into a gallery, like happened to my client this week, and download his copyrighted material. That is not a permission that you're giving when you upload things to Facebook. Now, just because it's easy to copy from Facebook, right-click download, there, you've copied it, doesn't mean that it is permissible. There are lots of things that are possible, but not permissible. It's possible to whack somebody over the head with a baseball bat, but that doesn't mean that it's permissible. Same thing with copyright infringement. What else do they say? So they give for example, if you share a photo on Facebook, you give us permission to store, copy, and share it with others. So other people have the right to share, if you've given permissions on the photo to do that, to share your photos on their Facebook page. So they can say share, and that share maybe can be posted to their account or a group that they're part of, but that doesn't give them the permission to download it and use it for other purposes. There's more here, but it's not pertinent to what the discussion is. Let me put myself back on the screen here. Okay, so I hope that makes it clear that just because you're uploading things to Facebook, it doesn't give people the right to go in willy-nilly and download your stuff and use it for whatever purposes. That's called copyright infringement. I'm Angela Langlotz, and I go live here on weekdays to talk about trademarks and other intellectual property issues. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. You can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. And if you have trademark questions, you can message me on the Trademark Doctor page, and I will answer those questions in a future live video.